how to add a PayPal button to your GoDaddy website. The first thing that we need to do is load up the GoDaddy website, click on your name in the top right, and then go into My Products. Now here we want to scroll down until we see Websites plus Marketing, and just find your website and click on Manage. Now once we're taken to the Manage page here, we want to select Edit Site to the side. And once we're taken inside the GoDaddy website editor, we will first add a new section here, and we want to search for PayPal. As you can see, immediately you get some different options for a PayPal button. So we can sell a product, collect donations, or collect donations again. So I will sell a product. Once we click on it, it's going to add a PayPal button here. And if we click on the PayPal button itself, we can customize the PayPal email address that is going to receive the funds, what the button says, as well as the currency that we'll be selling in. So as you can see, if I change it, it automatically changes it. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.